Mine, Bob, don't you do it out.
Lane fire, first shot, it's on. Holy crap! Oh, W! You better! Pin him down! Pin him down! Hey! Got him, got him. Move! He can't make it, he can't make it. Go!
Wait, do that fast, fast.
Go! Get the flag! Cover you! Okay, go ahead, go!
Wait!
I'm up here at the barrels!
Here. Where is it?
Who's got the flag? What? Wait, I'm out of ammo! Okay.
Okay.
Hold on!
Okay.
I know,
Okay.
everybody get down! Okay.
Stay away.
Okay, game on! Okay, go!
Wait. Put cover on. I know I'm going.
Okay.
Remember you got the
Good. Whoa, gun down! Okay, hold on. Hey, you good? You good?
Alright. Okay, I know I have to go. But I can't make it there.
Yeah, who's he shooting at?
What?
Is he going for both of us here?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Okay. He's on this side of it. Right, he's on this side.
Okay.
Okay, he might have just moved on.
Yeah, I'll get ahead.
No, he didn't.
Okay. Let me ready. Just empty fire. I'm gonna attempt to make it there, but keep pretty hard. Let me be ready.
Oh, hit my gun.
Oh.
Okay, I feel really pinned right now.
Yeah, me too.
But we got the flag.
Yeah.
Well, you do.
Yeah, well, that's
All right,
fine.
good. Then I'm taking out him. My gas is nearly empty. Okay.
What did you say?
He says gas is empty. Are you changing or are you
No, it's nearly empty. Look at it, shoot it.
Are you gonna change it though?
Keep going.
Oh, okay.
Okay, man, whatever you want for fire alarm.
Until it's like so done.
Okay.
Let's see if I can make it there, but I might.
Oh, I hit him. Great. Hold on. I don't know. I would have hit him like 10 times.
Yeah, well.
My shots didn't make it to him. I'll show you it on camera.
I think
I
you might.
Ready? Okay, let's go.
Okay, go.
Go, Matt. You have to start it by running.
I know I am.
Now that sucks.
Llama.
No, you.
You more, you got me right at the top of the head.
Goes.
Twice.
Hurts it.
Sorry, Matt.
You didn't mean to, obviously.
No.
Of course.
I meant to hit you.
Yeah. Anyway, you have to go back to the flag now, eh?
I know, but I have to hit him first.
Well, yeah, I know what I'm saying. You have to go back to get it. Do another cut down.
I don't know where he is.
Oh, I can't really help you there. He's hiding from me too. Hey, you want something really funny, guys? You guys, if you feel like listening, I just picked up my hair because I got shot, and I pulled out a shell.
Really?
Yeah. So it exploded and got stuck in my hair. Whoa.
Did I got you?
No.
Whoa.
Man, that sucks. You moved from where you were. I would have just snake bit you.
Yeah, I know.
Frick. Because my bullet went right by where you was.
Whoa.
Well, I'm out.